We've come to Herons because they have got a Christmas dinner deal, all for £15, that will feed a family of 4. So let's go in and let's go and get it. Right, so you can choose out of the following. You can have a turkey joint with stuffing, or you can have a honey glazed gammon joint. By themselves, one is £7.99 and the gammon is £6.99. So we're going to choose the turkey. You can also choose yourself some stuffing balls, roast potatoes, Yorkshire puddings, carrots, cabbage, sprouts and bacon, and your pigs in blankets. And that's all for £15. And also, as an alternative as well, they do have corn as well. So amazing deal. We're going to grab it all and I'm going to cook it up. That is a lot of food for £15. I'm going to get to the tills and go and see how much we've actually saved.
Right, that should have been £22.43 and it was 15 quid. What a bargain.
Right, so we're back home now, Lucy. What an absolute bargain.
Amazing deal. Turkey joint with pork, sage and onion stuffing. Could have got the gammon like we said. I've already put this in the oven because it needs an hour and a half in there first before we even attempt this next bit. So the stuffing balls, you already get the balls done themselves. You can get these straight in the microwave and put in the Aunt Bessie cooked fat roast potatoes in the air fryer, and I'm sticking these in the oven as well. It's an easy Christmas or Christmas time dinner for people that just want to chuck it all in, and really good value as well for so I've put 4 plates out. I'm going to dish it up for 4 people and see how much we get. Ta-da! So I think these portion sizes are well enough. If you're going to have a starter and dessert, my God, you've got a huge plateful for 4. Look how much joint you get. You even get it stuffed with bacon as well. The only thing is you didn't get a gravy. I'm sure a lot of people have got gravy granules in the cupboard. And all that's left is to dish up. And the only other thing was 2 people have got 2 stuffings and 2 people have got 3. So there you have it. So dish up this turkey. How nice does this look?
You do get quite a bit of meat, yeah. A decent amount of meat. To be honest, I thought the meat wouldn't be that big.
Really?
Yeah, I didn't think it was. I like the way you get a little bit of bacon on it as well. Decent.
So I did do everything in the oven, bar the potatoes and the sprouts and carrots, and I just shoved them in a bowl, stuck them in the microwave. It was easy as that, and then just made your own gravy. You can have it as thick or as runny as you like, and that's that. Get your own condiments on the side, applesauce, cranberry sauce, whatever you like.
And there you go, guys. Christmas dinner from Heron Foods, 15 quid. 15 quid. You'll have to buy yourself a bit of gravy, mind. But there it is. Absolute bargain. So yeah, get there. We're going to have our dinner now. So take care, guys.
Get it in now and put it in your freezer.
Get it in now and put it in the freezer.